Okay, this is my wife's brand new Versa 2. We just received it yesterday from Amazon, and we got a aftermarket hot pink band. But this is the Versa 2, the one that Fitbit just released. We just came back from the swimming pool, and in the swimming pool it stopped working. So now it doesn't work at all. We hold it down, and then we can put it in the charging cradle. Okay. And as you see, and it's connected.
It was working at the beginning and it stopped.
Yes. So anyway, our pool is definitely not 50 meters.
And it worked for 5-10 minutes?
Yes. So there it is. This is how it worked. They can hear you.
Oh.
So anyways, not very waterproof.
Hey guys, welcome to this unwrapping ceremony. This is Fitbit Versa 2019. I just got it from Amazon. As you can see, it came in this little plastic so that the packaging stays nice and clean. This is what it looks like. It's a nice size box. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So I guess you just pull this. Cool. Alright, okay, and this is the watch. So it's nice and pretty. And it's very light. Okay, nice and shiny. You can see the screen a little bit, but not as much as you can see it in the video. Like in real life, it's almost not noticeable. And I'm guessing this is the small size. We'll definitely need large size. Wow, it's really nice. I really like it. I owned the Pebble for a number of years, and I really loved the experience. And I wasn't crazy about Apple products. The watches, I just think that watch shouldn't last 18 hours. It should really last much longer, and this one promises, a few days. Yep, so cool. So this is the charger. Okay, whoops. And yeah, so this is the charger. It looks neat. Yep, everything looks nice and cool, and let's see if it turns on. Sometimes they ship these things with batteries, sometimes they don't. Charged or not. Okay. Wow, it's very slick. I can already see the colors are really nice. I want to say the screen is not as HD as I wanted it to be, but I mean, for what it's worth, it's a really good deal. Yeah, let's see this. Oh, it says to download the Fitbit app. Whoops. Well, I'm gonna do that. So this is it, guys. This is the Fitbit. This is the box. Just comes with a manual and the charger and an extra strap, which you can see is it's a slightly bigger size. So the large strap is included as well, which is what I'm going to use. And let's see if I can unhinge this. Yep, very simple. Cool. All right. Okay, guys. So this is it. After all, really love the watch. I actually left the small strap. Fits me nice. Yeah, super cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a 5 stars because it's everything that I expected, and everything works. And the screen is really cool. It's nice and bright, and it's you almost can't tell where the screen and the border begins, like in like a regular situation. All right, so it took me about maybe 30 minutes to set it up on an iPhone, just because I had to download the app and update it, and I put my credit card information in there and everything else. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, thank you for watching. So this was Fitbit Versa 2, bought it in 2019 on Amazon. Came in quick and really